Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Twitter details private on your Discord profile, you're in the right place. Maybe you connected your Twitter account for quick access or to show off your social side, but now you want a little more privacy. No worries, today I'll walk you through the updated steps to hide your Twitter details from your Discord profile, quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight to your user settings. Next, scroll down until you see the section labeled Connections. Tap on it. Here, you'll find all the accounts you've linked to your Discord, including your Twitter, now known as X account. Find your X Twitter account in the list. You'll notice a toggle or option that says Display Details on Profile. This setting controls whether your Twitter handle and details are visible on your Discord profile for everyone to see. To hide your Twitter details, simply disable this option. Tap the switch so that it turns off. Once you've done this, your Twitter information will no longer be displayed on your Discord profile. It's that simple. You don't need to unlink your account entirely. Disabling this setting keeps your accounts connected for your convenience, but hides the details from anyone browsing your Discord profile. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your Discord experience with a little more privacy, knowing your Twitter information is hidden from view. If you ever want to show your Twitter details again, just head back to the same setting and turn the option back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Stay safe and see you next time. And